All right, good everyone. My name is Mr. Orimolade, but you can call me Mr. Maths, as in Mr. Mathematics. What I have for you today is indices. Indices. Number is said to be in index form when it multiply itself lots of time. It multiply itself lots of times. Example: if you have x multiplied by x, all right, which is equals to x cubed. Now this x multiply itself how many times? 3 times. So x multiplied by x is x cubed. This is what we call index form. Index, you can say that x raised to power 3 is in index form, where the x is the base, is called the base, and the number, which is 3, is the power or exponent or exponent. All right, let's look at the rules or the laws of indices. Let's look at the laws of indices. All right, the following are the laws of indices. Number 1, a power m multiplied by a power n equals to a raised to power m plus n. The multiplication changed to what? Changed to addition. We call this law of addition. Now the second one, we have base a raised to power m divided by base a power n equals to, since we both have the same basis, so it becomes a raised to power m minus n. Law of subtraction. The third law, a raised to power 0. Now anything raised to power 0 in mathematics is 1. So a power 0 is equals to 1. We call it 0 index. The third one, open bracket a power n close bracket or power n. It means that the power of a, you multiply it by the power you have outside. So m times n, you have a power mn. That's the product law. Number 5, we have a power a fraction 1 divided by n, where the n will come, this will change to square root. We have n square root of a, that's the fractional index, and the last one, a raised power minus 1. So it becomes 1 divided by a. So let's go to the application of all these laws. All right, let's look at the first example. Example 1, simplify 2 power 3 multiply 2 power 2. Now we apply the first law here. Why? Because the two bases have what? They have the same basis. Therefore we have 2 power 3 plus 2, which is 2 raised to power 5, which means 2 times 2 in 5 places, times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 32. Now let's go to the second example. All right, let's look at this second example. Example 2, simplify x power 6 divided by x power 4. What does that mean? The law of addition. It means they have the same base. It will become x raised to power 6 minus 4. The value of our x raised to power 2. All right, we can use another method. We call this method 2. All right, x power 6 divided by x power 4 is the same thing as x in 6 places, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. X times x times x times x. Therefore, x cancel x, x cancel x, s cancel x, s cancel x. How many x do we have? 2. X times x, we have x multiplied by x, which is x squared. That's our final answer. Now let's look at example 3. Example 3, simplify y raised to power minus 2, y raised to power minus 2, multiply by y raised to power 2. Don't forget, we apply the first law here because of the multiplication. The multiplication will change to addition, and they have the same base, right? That will have y raised to power minus 2 plus 2. Therefore, the value of our y minus 2 plus 2 is what? 0. Therefore, the value of our y is y raised to power minus 0, which is 1. Don't forget, anything raised to power 0 is 1 in mathematics. Even if you have whether numbers or letter or anything raised to power 0 is always what? 1. Now let's look at example 4. Alright, example 4, simplify 3p squared. What is it telling us? We have 3p squared raised to power 3. It means that what we have inside the bracket in 3 places, where we have 3p squared, right? Multiply by 3p squared, multiply by 3p squared. Alright, 3 times 3, 9, times 3, 27. Alright, p, 2 plus 2 plus 2. Therefore, we have 27p raised to power 6. 27p raised to power 6. Or another method, don't forget, mathematics is not a one-way thing. There are different ways you can solve it. Let's look at this second one, where you have 3p squared, all in bracket, raised to power 3. You can multiply it directly. Don't forget, I said what you have inside the bracket in what? In 3 places. Now you can simply say these 3, we have 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27, right? 3 times 2 is what? 6. It's the same thing. All right, let's look at example 5. Simplify 32 raised to power 1 over 5. That's a fraction. All right, how do we solve this? Don't forget the fifth law. Here we have 32 1 over 5. We apply the fifth law. Hereby we have 5 square root of what? 32. Now, what's the meaning of this? Think of a number, you can multiply that number, the multiple of a particular number that you can multiply maybe 5 times, that will give you this 32. Think of a number you can multiply in 5 places that will give you 32. Let's think of 2. Let's say 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 2, 32. Therefore, we have 2 raised to power what? We have 2 raised to power 5. Therefore, our answer is what? Is 2. It's as simple as ABC and sweet as bread and tea. Alright, let me give you few questions to practice on your own. Alright, you can practice the following question on the board. Thank you for watching. My name is Mr. Urimalade. You can call me Mr. Max. Thank you very much. God bless you. See you some other time. Make sure you practice. Practice will make you what? To be perfect. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.